John Hennessey appears to have a big hit on his hands with the new VelociRaptor V8, taking an F-150 Raptor, ditching the EcoBoost V6, and installing a supercharged version of Ford's 5.0-liter V8 results in a truck that sounds mean but can still be civilized. Generally, the VelociRaptor V8 looks stock. The biggest aesthetic change is from the 8-inch increase in ride height. The extra stature comes from the combination of a suspension upgrade and a set of 37-inch tires around 20-inch wheels. For improved looks and styling, a set of red Brembo calipers adds some color. The supercharged 5.0-liter V8 running at 7 pounds of boost produces a claimed 758 horsepower, and Hennessey's dyno shows the setup producing 557 horsepower at the wheels. John Hennessey estimates in this video that someone could free up as much as 40 horsepower at the road with a different wheel and tire combination to keep up with the extra power. The tuner installs the 10-speed automatic from a V8-powered F-150, instead of the Raptor's version of the gearbox. Hennessey installs a stainless steel catback exhaust that really makes the engine growl. The Raptor's EcoBoost sounds good, but this supercharged V8 makes an even better noise. According to the company's specs, the truck can hit 60 miles per hour in 4.1 seconds and cover the quarter mile in 12.2 seconds at 115 mph. John Hennessey admits there are a couple downsides to the VelociRaptor, though. First, it's apparently quite a hit with at least 20 orders already, and the waiting line means that your delivery wouldn't be until around May, if you place an order right now. There's also the issue of price, because the total cost of getting one of these trucks is about $150,000, depending on options.